Right, good morning, everybody. My name is Jay Pirotimer, the founder and creator of Tronthunder. Okay, so like I said in my previous voice note, we will be doing a server change. All right, this means a DNS change as well, which means that the website will be offline for about 48 hours. Okay, there's absolutely nothing I can do about this. This is the propagation of the server because we're moving from one server to another server. So it's very, very important everybody understands this. Please share this video with everyone, right? On the new server, it's a lot more secure, a lot bigger, and faster as well, of course. Okay, for all the members that are struggling to log in due to their email addresses not being correct, we will advise everybody to change your email addresses. We are also going to allow everybody to do this yourself. By Friday, I estimate this will be done. My developers are working on making sure that members will be able to change their wallet addresses, their email addresses, their names, their telephone numbers, everything. All right. We want to have full background data of everybody to make sure that everything is 100%. Okay. So anybody that wants to change their wallet addresses and anything like that, currently, you will not be able to do this until we are live again. Okay, but if you do want to change this, once we are live, you will need to require to send the support agent a picture of yourself with your ID, right? Your government ID, right? This is the only way, and it needs to be a clear picture with a clear indication of your name, your surname, and this needs to be corresponding with your account details that's already on the website. Right, I hope everybody's going to have an absolutely lovely Sunday. I'll be working very hard, and God bless everybody. Bye-bye.